Real estate versus stocks. Which one has made me more money over the past 5 years? Let's break it down. Hi, I'm Queenie and I've been invested in property and stocks over the past 5 years. So I wanted to crunch the numbers myself and see which one actually performed better. So my partner and I bought a $500,000 property with a $100,000 deposit to live in. But we're going to run the numbers as if we never lived in it and it was always an investment property from day one. So we spent $40,000 on renovations and had an average rental income of $500 per week, totaling $130,000 over 5 years. The property appreciated to $650,000, and after paying down the mortgage, my equity sits at $285,000. Sounds pretty good, right? But let's factor in all of the hidden costs. First, there's the interest on the loan, which is $93,000, stamp duty at $17,000, strata council maintenance fees at $26,000, property management and loan fees at $6,500, and then when you sell a property, there are selling costs and also capital gains tax at $37,000. So after everything, my net profit would be $92,000. Now let's see what would have happened if I invested all of that money into the stock market instead. So if I invested the same amount upfront, which would be $157,000, which is the property, reno, and stamp duty, into the S&P 500, which has had an average annual return of 10.15% per year, that investment alone would have grown to $256,000. And if I also invested my monthly mortgage costs, which would be $2,147 per month, and all of the extra property-related costs into the stock market, my total portfolio would be worth $439,000. But after deducting the capital gains tax, the brokerage fees, and all of the money that I have invested, my net profit after everything would be $110,000. So in this example, stocks won by about $17,000. But keep in mind, these are just my own numbers, and someone else's property could have won in another example. Also, the stock market has performed really well over the past 5 years, and it could be a different story over the next 5, 10, or 30 years. Ultimately, both stocks and property can be really great investments, and it kind of just depends on what you prefer to invest in. And maybe you don't even have to choose, and you could invest in a bit of both. For me personally, I do like to invest in stocks because it is so much easier, but I do like having a bit of property as well. Which one do you prefer, stocks or property? Let me know.